Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just click on the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to click that bell icon so you can be alerted on the next video that I record. Now, if you are marketing online, if you have products that you're selling, programs that you're promoting online, you're going to need a way to get traffic to your site. Whatever your site may be, whatever your link is, you can promote it through these traffic exchanges, and we also call them safe lists, which are mailers that will mail your ad out for you to thousands of people. Now, uh, without traffic, without traffic to your site, it's a losing battle. So I'm showing you different ways that I promote my business, and this is one way. By joining the proactive mailer, you can you'll be able to mail uh, your link out or your advertisement out to thousands of people. Right now, I have currently have 64,894 credits in my account, and so and up here you can see where that the easiest quickest way to check all your latest mail is on site. So you can check the mails when you join this proactive mailer. You want to click uh, mails that been sent out through the mailer so you can gain credits like I've gained right here. And you go over here to unread emails. You can do it right online in the back office. All these are different ads that people have sent out. And instead of receiving all of them through your email, you want to get a Gmail account, a junk email account where you can receive messages that comes in. But instead of looking at them through your Gmail, junk email account, you can come back here and gain credits right from your back office. Just come over here where it says the unread emails and just start clicking on them. Like I'm click on that first one and see you got a timer that comes up. Each advertisement gonna have a timer, and once that timer run out, you're gonna have to click on one of the objects, and it will tell you on the left hand side which one to click on. So it say click on the world. Click right there. I've gained 10 credits. See, and so I just close that one out, and I'll go back to the next one. Go here to the next one. Click on it. And the more you click, the more you get closer to gaining more credits as you click. And see, this opportunity right here that I'm promoting, it's my primary business right here. I don't know if it's my site or someone else's site, but this is what I'm advertising on Proactive Mailer. So it says click on food. You click on the food, boom, you've gained 10 credits. See? And you can do that all day long if you want to. Or you can just come over and send out your mailing. You send out mailing. Don't forget, I say you can join this this safe list for free. And so right here is where you're gonna send out your mailing right here. Right now, I have the opportunity to mail out to 2,752 credits. So what I'm gonna do, I told you I was with the program that I showed you that I gained credit from a while ago. Here it is right here. Prosperity Marketing System. This is my primary business right here. It only cost me $12 to get started. I have recruited, I think, 3 paid members, so I'm in it for free, and I'm getting paid every month. So what I'm going to do is going to click affiliate. So we already here to at affiliate tools. Let me see, affiliate tools. Okay, these are my links that I promote. And this is the email swipe. This is the solo email ad. So what I want to do, I want to grab a subject. I'm going to grab this subject right here. Back here, you got different subject and bodies that you can send out. So I'm getting ready to send email ad out. So I'm gonna grab this subject right here. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna go back to proactive mailer. See, I've gotten credit for that. I'm just gonna close that out. And right here, I'm going back to the mailer. I'm gonna put my subject in right here. Boom, it's there. Now I'm gonna go back to prosperity marketing. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna select all. And I'm gonna right click again and I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna go back to proactive mailer. I'm gonna left click. I'm gonna right click. And then I'm gonna click paste. I don't see no paste there, so I'm gonna do a control V. So there it is right there. And what I'm gonna do is copy my link out of that message. Copy my link. And I'm going to put it right here where it says site URL. Paste it. And then I'm going to give it the credits. Your message will be sent to one memo for each credit used. Okay, I'm just going to send out to just say 5. I'm going to do 1,000. 1,000 credit. So that'll be 1,000 people will view my site. And I'm just going to click send. Validating URL is good. Connecting to site is good. Checking page is good. Checking for iframes is good. Scanning JavaScript is good. Page passed the test. It's passed check. So confirm my site. I confirmed it. So it's good to go. Your message has been queued. You should be able to view it on the sent message page in a few moments. So we're good to go. You can do the same thing. Join Proactive Mailer for free. And if you upgrade, you'll get a commission off of everyone that joins. You get more credit and everything. Just come over and start browsing through here and check the whole mailer out. Because you have banners, you have text ads, square banner, buy credits. You can buy more credits. And affiliated toolbox, you have your affiliated toolbox right here. And these are messages that you can send out. And it's a great tool to use. Just come over here and just check it out for yourself. Join for free. As I said, join for free. Then check it out and you can upgrade later if you want to, or just pay as you go. All right, my name is Marlon Carter. Safelist still works. Proactive Mailer is one of the best. This has been a Proactive Mailer review for 2022. We will see you on the next video. Hope this has helped someone. And continue promoting your business and you will succeed. You will be successful. Bye bye now.